Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is natural resource. Natural resources are naturally occurring objects which are not man-made. These are found in or earth crust and in ocean, forest and mountain. Oil, coal, natural gas, metal and minerals are also example of natural resource. Examples are water. Water is a vital existence. We can survive without food for 2 or 3 weeks, but we cannot survive without water for more than 3 days. Fortunately, water is renewable resource that moves in a cycle and replenishing reserve, lake and other water bodies. Plants produce oxygen as a byproduct of process of photosynthesis. Wood from the tree is used to make furniture, cupboard and flooring in our homes. We depend on plants for food and eat different parts of plants such as fruit, flowers, stem, leaves and root. Air. Air is all around us, however, we cannot see it. We can only feel air. Air is made up of different gases, mainly nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, along with water vapors. Oxygen in the air is necessary to respiration and combustions, and carbon dioxide used by the green plants to prepare food. Precipitation. All liquid and solid water particles that fall from the clouds and reach the ground. These particles include drizzle, rain, snow pellets, ice crystals, and hails. Rock are found everywhere on the earth surface and under the ground. There are different kinds of rocks. Rocks such as marble, granite and sandstone are used to make building, while diamond, rubies and emerald are used in jewelry. Crude oil is found under the ground and under the seabed. It is refined to make petrol, kerosene, plastic or so on. Soil. Soil is the top layer of the earth crust. Soil is made up the minerals, particles, water, air and living organisms as well non-living materials. Soil is made up of rock, gravel, sand, clay and humus. Metal. Most rocks contain minerals that are used by us. Some of these minerals are known as metals. Metals are usually shining solid that allow heat and electricity to pass through them. Metal can be formed into sheet and wire. Iron, copper, gold or silver are metals. Humus. The various layers in the soil. Dig a deep hole in the garden and observe. At the bottom we will be a layer of gravel and made up of small stone and unweathered rock, and above this will be a layer of sand and weathered rock. Above that, clay and minerals deposits. The layer above clay will have dead leaves, twigs and part of dead insect, which make it very fertile or good for growing plants. This is called humus. So let's talk about facts about natural resources. Number 1. Oil is one of the most valuable natural resource in the world and one of the most essential to our modern way of life. Number 2. China has the most natural resource estimated to the $23 trillion. Number 3. Vatican City is the country with the least natural resource. The country has almost no resource at all. Number 4. Renewable energy is the fastest growing energy source and by 2040 expected to provide a share of energy generation equal to that of coal and natural gas. Number 5. Natural resources such as sunlight, wind, rain, tide, waves, and geothermal heat provide the renewable energy that does not require large quantity of fresh water. Dear kids, we should not waste natural resource. We must preserve as long as we must. So, write in a comment section which natural resource you want to preserve. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the natural resource. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.